Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and type LED keyboard. Click. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now tap on Open. Click Get Started. Then tap OK. And click on the switcher next to LED keyboard. After that, tap OK again. And tap on Input Options. Then click LED keyboard one more time. And click on one of the options to choose one of the preferable ones. Then select keyboards that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and tap on Get Theme. Now when I go back, I guess that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!